Hi guys, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys something cool I got for my birthday. You might have heard that Animal Crossing and Crocs were doing a collaboration, and they had sandals that feature the artwork from Animal Crossing and some of the characters, but they also sold these extra collections of these Jibbitz charms that they make. And so I got these. These were all that were available. I have the one over there on the right, and that has Sable, Mabel, and LaBelle, and a shirt and a backpack. And then on the left, we have Blathers and Celeste, Pascal, the clamshell, and then the fossil. And then down here in the individual packs, I have Marshall and Rosie and the bunny. So these were the ones that I was able to get as part of this collaboration that they were doing. And then the shoes happen to have KK Slider and Tom Nook and Timmy and Tommy and Isabel and a red house and money bags and a apple tree. So those are all really cool charms too, and it'd be neat to have gotten my hands on those, but I didn't really need the slippers the sandals because I would have some anyway, so I didn't really need, and I'd be kind of nervous wearing them, so I can see under eating them. So I thought this would be a more kind of fun thing to do. Now the official Crocs store only had these guys, if I remember right, and if you wanted to get these, you had to go. I was able to get them still from an official Crocs retailer, but not from the Crocs store. So the only place I could get them was from someplace else. So I went ahead and ordered everything that way, and I was able to get them all. And I then thought it would be fun to go ahead and put them on something instead of the sandals. So let me show you here real quick, you guys. I got a bag. So I didn't know that the Crocs made bags, but this is their cute crossbody bag that they have, the cross shoulder bag. And it has these little holes here for you to put the Jibbitz in if you have them. And so I'm going to have fun trying to choose the order to put them all on here. And then it also has, just cute little, the logo for the Crocs brand here. And it's got a nice adjustable shoulder strap. And it's just a really nice, cute bag with a couple pockets inside. Just really a really well-made bag, and I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how I can use that. So it should be a lot of fun, I think. And once I get it all together, maybe I'll take a picture and show it to you guys as part of this video as well, so you can kind of see how it all looks as one big thing. But I think this is going to be a fun way to have these items, and I can then carry it around and not worry about it getting eaten by the cat or dirty outside when I wear it. So it's nice to get these. But yeah, so I wanted to have a chance to kind of show you guys these, and I'll have some other things I'll be showing you guys here later on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye. So here's kind of how that Jibbitz looks up close there. So here they all are on the bag. It was so hard to do. My arms are going to be sore tomorrow from working on this. It was really hard. And even though I found some support places, some videos and talk throughs, it still was just really hard to squeeze it in there right. It took a lot of tries, but I got them in, and they look so cute. I think they are adorable and kind of are in a nice little order. I like that they're all on the front. I could put some on the side, but I know that will get a lot of wear, and I don't want them to fall off or anything. They're made really well though. I cannot see them falling off. So you can, I can't even pull on it because it's so tight in there. You can kind of see what I mean by how tight it is. So it's going to be epic. Yay! I'm so happy that it is cool and I can use it. See you guys later. Bye.